It is the demand that determines where you are selling it to. This is why, when I talk about the fact that export is knowledge intensive and the need for people to acquire knowledge to learn in order to minimize their Thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Dele Ayimibo. You are welcome to DBA TV, where we discuss everything about international trade. I have an interesting topic to talk to you today about finding buyers. Now, in today's video, I'll be talking about something you need to do. What you must do before you promote your product in the export market. And I've titled it, you must do this before you promote your product in the export market. What is this that you must do? You must do this before you promote your product in the export market. What is this that you must do? You must do this before you promote product in the export market. Now, what you must do that I'm focusing on today is target an export market with potential in your export promotion. Don't just target a market for the sake of targeting. Recently, if you are new to this channel, there's a playlist on this channel that has to do with where countries that buy a particular product, and I use Nigeria as a reference point. But if you're in another country and you can source the same product in your country, since Nigeria is selling to that country, most likely you can also sell it. Now, the reason why I did that video, about 16 of those videos, is actually covering over 100 countries, is actually to help you to be able to know the market that already have demand for your product. Don't just say, oh, because I want to sell this product and I want to sell it to the US market. You're not the one that will decide where you want to sell it to. It is the demand that determines where you are selling it to. This is why, when I talk about the fact that export is knowledge intensive and the need for people to acquire knowledge to learn in order to minimize their error rate, sometimes it looks like, oh, I don't want to learn theory. People just have some very funny idea or understanding whenever you have to talk about issue of learning. And as human beings, we are learning machines. As human beings, we are learning machines. And because we are learning machines, we are built to always learn, keep learning. And when we learn, we get better. So you must learn how to determine if your product has potential in a particular market before a business starts its promotional activity online. It must have a product or products that he wants to sell, of course. However, in order to determine the export market to be targeted with your promotional activity, you have to determine the market with highest demand. The one that have a skyrocketing demand for your product. Sometimes you don't have a product for export. The demand of the product that can be exported from your country can be what you are going to use to determine what you want to sell. That might be what you want to use to determine what you want to sell. If that is the case, great. If you are already a manufacturer and you are producing some product, manufacturing some product, then you will not have to look for market that have potential for your product. And there are platforms you can go, and I'll mention one of them very soon, that will show you what the country, top 10, 15, 20 country imported in terms of value and volume of that product over a 2, 3, 4 year period. So you can see the trajectory, you can see the growth, either it's positive or negative. You can see the trajectory, you can see the growth, either it's positive or negative. What does this do for you? It makes you to now ensure that if the people that are buying are in this country, in fact, you can also ask these people that buy in that country, Where exactly are they located? Is there a particular state, a particular region, a particular zone, a particular province where they are predominantly located? That then becomes the subject of your marketing and online promotion, because Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, even LinkedIn, all have made it possible for you to be able to target market a particular location. To be able to target market a particular location. In a particular country, even a particular group of people, a particular gender, a particular, you can stratify and refine who you are targeting. So you need to first of all identify where is the market. So you can target that market. These are the market that have the potential for huge sales. And these are the market that have the targets that have to be targeted in your export promotional activity in the various online platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, like YouTube, like LinkedIn. The potential demand of different markets can be determined using some online tools like trademap.org, trademap, TRADEMAP.org, trademap.org, www.trademap.org is a platform created by International Trade Center. So it's free and it's up to date, gives you very, very up to date information. Very, very up to date information. And it will compare different countries. It will compare different countries. The essence of observing this particular protocol is to ensure that the promotional effort being made attract buyers abroad. Attract buyers abroad. The promotional effort being made to attract buyers abroad are targeted at market with buyers, at market where buyers are located. So the effort you are putting in is not wasted. One of the reasons why some get discouraged, they've advertised, they've done some marketing, they didn't get results. One of the reasons for that discouragement is actually because they failed in this protocol, which involved targeting export market with potential in your export promotion. Targeting export market with potential in your export promotion. So when I said you must do this before you promote your product in the export market, I mean you must first of all evaluate the potential of the market. Determine the potential of the market before you begin to incur cost of promoting your product in that export market. Has this video been of help to you? If yes, give it a thumbs up. Do you have a question you would like to ask me? Drop it in the comment section below. Do you have a friend that is in need of this? Share with your friends. Are you new to this channel? Subscribe to our channel. We upload new video with new insight every day. Do you want to get the notification? Click on the notification bell. My name remains Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your export doctor. See you in the next video. Bye for now.